Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to check your iPad's battery health. Step 1. Open the Settings app, tap Privacy and Security, then tap Analytics and Improvements. Step 2. This could prove a roadblock for some users. For whatever reason, the only way for us to read battery health stat is if you agree to send to the Apple. If, like me, you had shared analytics turned off, you need to enable share iPad analytics and then come back in a day or two when the necessary data has been recorded. Once it is available, tap Open Analytics Data. Step 3. Open one of the files at the top of the list, then scroll down to the bottom and copy the final block of text. The file type you are looking for is named analytics-year-month-day-time.ips.ca.synced and should be one of the first entries in the list. Try and pick the one with the most recent data on it. Although in my case I had to pick the file from the day before to find the information I needed. Opening the file up confronts you with a whole lot of indecipherable text. Press yourself and scroll all the way to the bottom. Then select and copy the last continuous block of text. You should see a few mentions of battery in there to tell you you are in the right place. Step 4. Open a text editing app like Notes or Google Docs. As long as it has a search function, paste your copy text in and then search for maximum capacity percent to find the first number we are after, the figure listed by. Maximum capacity percent is, as the name suggests, the current capacity of your iPad mode compared to when it was new. This should give you a good idea of how your iPad's battery health is doing, though it's not fully accurate. If you want to know the full state of affairs in your iPad battery, and especially if you are confused, then your maximum capacity percent is over 100. Follow the next step to learn more. Step 5. Now we need to work out a more accurate estimation in the same block of text. Look for two values, maximum FCC and nominal charge capacity, and note them down. The first is the milliampere hour capacity of your iPad's battery when it was brand new. The second is its milliampere hour capacity at the time the data was captured. Also look up for the rated battery capacity for your iPad model from an online spec page. Unfortunately, Apple lists its capacities in watt hours, so you have to look elsewhere, such as GSM Arena. Divide the nominal charge capacity figure by the maximum FCC figure or the rated capacity figure. The result will be your current maximum battery capacity as a percentage compared to either to your model when new. Thank you so much. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like